We're gonna wash our ass. Fancy style.
I'm a simple person. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing.
Update. I removed the toilet seat. Don't look at my feet, you fucking weirdos. There's the toilet seat. Now, it says after that, I install some non-slip rubber thingies. The rubber non-slip mats, which I have done. Think I'm following the instructions right? It says some shit like this. Toilet seat, that. Angry eyes. Like, I got that back on. That's a rocket ship. I'm hoping that's far enough. Like, how do you know? Update. I am now a toilet mechanic. I must install this T adapter right there on that son of a bitch. But not the bottom one, the top one. And it goes in there, and then a line comes out here. And update. I think I'm a master plumber now. I did that. And then it goes like, cha-bow. I turned it on rear. But there was no water. Oh, the water pressure's off. Tee-hee. Why is it? Ah! We've come this far. It's time to take it for a test drive. It'll go rear and maximum. Scary. I wish there was a flush button on the handle rather than having to reach back. I'm so fucking scared. Nothing. I don't. Well, try it again. I guess maybe it's gotta be on. I don't really know how it works. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like it. I didn't have the rear nozzle turned all the way. Okay, but you don't have it on max. Maybe I am autistic. I don't like that. Why is there so much water? Anyway, how much water does this thing push out? When does it stop? How does it stop? I should have read the instructions. It shouldn't go this long, does it? It's been like a minute. Do I just turn it off? Am I supposed to lean forward? Why is there so much water? When does it stop? I'm so fucking confused. What the fuck? You just gotta turn it off, don't you? How do you know when it's done? Is it a timer? Maybe if I just... Oh. Okay, so you have to turn it off manually. I didn't know that. I didn't read all the instructions, I'm not gonna lie. So I had it at maximum pressure, and okay, so for starters, I had that thing at maximum. Yeah, I had it at the maximum, and I guess I was supposed to turn it on when I was using it. I don't know. I didn't read the instructions. It wasn't very clear, and that's on me because I didn't read the instructions. So we are just jumping straight into it. But it came out like, and it was not a good time. It did not feel nice. But when I turned down the pressure, it was okay, I guess. But like, no, it made my teeth feel funny and my throat feel funny. It was like a sensory thing or some shit. It was hella fucking weird. I'm not gonna lie. So there's that.